Hello everyone, welcome to Level Up Quiz. Shall we solve the quiz today? Don't forget to subscribe, like, and set the alarm. Let's get started.
Internet. Level 1. What does www stand for in Internet terminology?
World Wide Web.
Which search engine is known for its PageRank algorithm?
Google.
What is a commonly used file format for web images?
JPEG.
What does URL stand for?
Uniform Resource Locator.
Which company operates the social media platform Facebook?
Meta. So far so good?
Which browser is developed by Mozilla Foundation?
Firefox.
Which protocol is used for sending emails?
SMTP.
Which online retailer is known for its fast delivery service?
Amazon.
Which company created the JavaScript programming language?
Netscape.
What does VPN stand for?
Virtual Private Network. Cheer up.
Which cloud storage service is developed by Google?
Google Drive.
What is the purpose of a firewall in network security?
Block unauthorized access.
Which online encyclopedia allows users to edit its content?
Wikipedia.
Which video sharing platform is owned by Google?
YouTube.
What does IP address stand for?
Internet Protocol Address. Keep going.
What is the term for malicious software that damages or disrupts computers?
Malware.
Which social media platform allows users to pin images and content?
Pinterest.
Which video conferencing platform became widely used during the COVID-19 pandemic?
Zoom.
What is the term for a program that replicates itself and spreads to other computers?
Virus.
Which company developed the Safari web browser?
Apple.
Internet. Level 2. What is the term for a program that displays web pages?
Web browser.
What is the term for a website's address that ends with .com, .org, or .net?
Domain name.
Which social media platform is known for its short video content?
TikTok.
What does HTML stand for?
Hypertext Markup Language.
Who is known as the founder of Amazon.com?
Jeff Bezos. So far so good?
What is the name of the programming language primarily used for client-side scripting on the web?
JavaScript.
What was the original name of the social media platform, Snapchat?
Peekaboo.
Which messaging platform was acquired by Facebook in 2014?
WhatsApp.
What is the term for a high-speed internet connection that uses cable television infrastructure?
Cable internet.
Which company is known for its Windows operating system?
Microsoft. Cheer up.
What is the name of the popular blogging platform that hosts millions of blogs worldwide?
WordPress.
What is the term for a small piece of data sent from a website and stored on the user's computer?
Cookie.
What is the name of the protocol used for secure communication over a computer network?
HTTPS.
What is the term for the practice of obtaining passwords or sensitive information by disguising as a trustworthy entity?
Phishing.
What is the term for the process of transmitting data over a network in a continuous flow?
Streaming. Keep going.
What is the term for the process of sending large amounts of data over the internet?
Data transmission.
Which online marketplace is known for auctions and consumer-to-consumer sales?
eBay.
What is the term for the process of transferring data from a remote server to a user's device?
Download.
What is the term for a program that protects a computer from malicious software?
Antivirus.
What is the term for the process of updating software to fix security vulnerabilities?
Patching.
Internet. Level 3. Which email service is owned by Microsoft?
Outlook.
What does CMS stand for in website management?
Content management system.
Which company's messaging platform is known for its disappearing messages feature?
Snapchat.
What is the primary function of a CAPTCHA on websites?
Verify human users.
What does FAQ stand for on websites?
Frequently asked questions. So far so good?
Which online platform is synonymous with professional networking?
LinkedIn.
What is the term used for the act of illegally accessing someone else's computer system?
Hacking.
Which online payment system is owned by PayPal?
Venmo.
What does DNS stand for in Internet networking?
Domain name system.
What is the term used for the act of sending an email to a large number of recipients without their consent?
Spamming. Cheer up.
What does 404 error indicate on a website?
Page not found.
What is the term used for the unauthorized access to confidential information by exploiting computer systems?
Cyber attack.
Which online retailer is known for its marketplace of handmade and vintage items?
Etsy.
What does VoIP stand for in telecommunications?
Voice over Internet Protocol.
Which social media platform is characterized by its photo and video sharing features with limited viewing time?
Instagram. Keep going.
What is the term used for the unauthorized copying or use of software?
Piracy.
What is the name of the online cloud storage service provided by Apple?
iCloud.
What is the name of the organization responsible for assigning domain names and IP addresses?
ICANN.
What does ISP stand for in the context of Internet services?
Internet Service Provider.
What is the term for a program that searches for and identifies items in a database matching specific criteria?
Search engine.
Internet. Level 4. What year was YouTube founded?
— 2005.
Who founded Facebook?
Mark Zuckerberg.
What does IoT stand for in technology?
Internet of Things.
What is the name of the first widely used web browser?
Mosaic.
What is the term used for software that is distributed for free and often developed collaboratively?
Open source. So far so good?
Which technology is used for wireless data transfer between devices over short distances?
Bluetooth.
What is the term used for software that simulates human conversation, typically over the Internet?
Chatbot.
What is the term used for the practice of broadcasting oneself live over the Internet?
Live streaming.
Which social media platform is known for its 6-second looping videos?
Vine.
Who developed the Linux operating system?
Linus Torvalds. Cheer up.
Which programming language is commonly used for building mobile apps?
Swift.
Who developed the first email system?
Ray Tomlinson.
What does CSS stand for in web design?
Cascading style sheets.
Which programming language is used primarily for building dynamic web pages?
PHP.
What does SEO primarily aim to improve?
Search rankings. Keep going.
Who co-founded Apple Inc. with Steve Jobs?
Steve Wozniak.
Which company developed the Java programming language?
Sun Microsystems.
What does FTP stand for in computing?
File Transfer Protocol.
Which programming language is commonly used for server-side scripting?
Python.
Which company introduced the first commercial antivirus software?
Symantec.
Internet. Level 5. What was the first message sent over the Internet?
Low.
Which university developed the first Internet search engine?
Stanford University.
Which year was the first email sent?
(1971).
Who founded Wikipedia?
(1971).
Which country was the first to connect to the Internet?
United States. So far so good?
What was the original name of Google?
Backrub.
Who created the first blog?
Jorn Barger.
What was the first viral Internet meme?
Dancing Baby.
Who founded LinkedIn?
Reid Hoffman.
Who developed the first commercial email service?
CompuServe. Cheer up.
What is the term used for the process of redirecting a web link to another URL?
URL redirection.
Who founded Yahoo?
Jerry Yang and David Filo.
What is the term used for the practice of manipulating public opinion online through fake social media accounts?
Astroturfing.
What is the term used for a large-scale cyber attack that disrupts internet traffic to a targeted website or server?
DDoS attack.
What is the term used for the illegal practice of registering a domain name that is similar to a well-known brand with the intent to sell it at a profit?
Cybersquatting. Keep going.
What was the first social media platform?
Six degrees.
Who developed the JavaScript programming language?
Brendan Eich.
What does TCP stand for in Internet technology?
Transmission Control Protocol.
What is the name of the first video uploaded to YouTube?
Me at the Zoo.
Who is considered the father of the Internet?
Vinton Cerf. Congratulations. Move on to the next topic. Come on.